A very fine morning, my dear students. Today, uh, we will just discuss about the revision of chemical equations. So, as you all know, that due to COVID problem, some contents are omitted. So that all already I have explained you. And today we will see that how to balance and how to write the chemical equations. Hope my all children will be fine by the grace of God. So let us start, children. Let us see here some chemical reaction, students. The first reaction is CuSO4 plus Zn. Zn is zinc and CuSO4 is copper sulfate. So when they react, they form ZnSO4 plus Cu. So here zinc sulfate is formed, and as well as the copper is formed. This is due to the ionic bond which is present in the copper sulfate that breaks, and due to that the ZnSO4 is formed. Let us see the second reaction. CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, it will change to CaO, that is slake lime, and carbon dioxide gas will be liberated out. That is why we have to put arrow upward along with carbon dioxide. Now the third one is Cu, that is in solid form, so S is written here. Then plus 4 HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid, that is in aqueous form. It will form CuNO3 whole twice, that is in the aqueous form. And here the reddish colored poisonous nitrogen dioxide gas will be formed. That is why G is written here. Then plus 2H2O. So this is the third equation. Now let us see the fourth equation. Here 2NaOH plus H2SO4. 2NaOH, NaOH means sodium hydroxide and H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. They'll react, they'll form Na2SO4 plus 2H2O, that means sodium sulfate. So we can see here that how SO4 is combining with the sodium. Now let us see the next reaction. Here NH3 is gas, that is ammonia gas. It combined with the HCl fume and it will form NH4Cl, that is we can see here the white color fumes. So this is the reaction between ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride. So here what is formed? Ammonium chloride is formed. In that ammonium chloride, whatever is formed, that is first in the gaseous state, but immediately due to the condensation process at room temperature it transformed into the solid state. Now next one, 2Mg plus O2, that means whenever the magnesium wire is burned in presence of oxygen of the air, magnesium oxide, that white color ash is formed. Let us see the next reaction. CaO, that means slake lime or calcium oxide, react with the water. It will form a CaOH whole twice, that is calcium hydroxide, plus heat will be evolved. The next one is C12H22O11, that is the formula for sugar. When it is burned, then carbon, black color carbon is formed as a product and water molecule. Then next is 2H2O2, that is in liquid form, that is hydrogen peroxide. It change whenever the undergo some slow decomposition, it changes to water and oxygen. So here you can see water and oxygen are formed. Then CuSO4 plus Fe, it changed to SO4 will combine with the iron Fe and it will form ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4 plus Cu. Now CuSO4 it combined with Pb, it will form PbSO4 plus Cu. PbSO4 is lead sulfate. Let us see some more reaction here. This is 2KClO3. Then when it is heated, that is on the top you can see one sign is there, that is of heating. It will change to 2KCl plus 3O2. So we can see here, children, that how these changes are taking place. Let us see the next reaction. This 13th one, we can see it is CH3 bond CH2 bond OH, that is ethyl alcohol, and in presence of oxygen and the potassium dichromate and H2SO4 oblique H2SO4. What does it mean? That means it is acidic potassium dichromate, because H2SO4 is added there. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, so it is added, so it become acidulated. Then it will form the acetic acid. CH3COOH is acetic acid. Let us see the next reaction, that is 2KMnO4 plus 10 FeSO4 plus 8 H2SO4. They are going to react. So what they will form here as a product, what will form here as a product K2SO4, that is potassium sulfate, plus MnSO4 plus FeSO4 plus here we can see Fe is in solid state. So we will see here that what are the product K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 5 Fe2SO4 whole thrice plus H2O. So these are the product form here. So here we can see that ionic reaction is there and the oxidation is brought about by the KMnO4, and ferric ion is formed from the ferrous ion. Now let us see the next reaction, CuO plus H2O. What it will form, this O from here will combine with the H2 and it will form H2O, and Cu will be there in the solid form. Now the 16th reaction, 2H2S plus SO2, they will form 3S plus 2H2O, that is water molecule and sulfur. So this will be formed. The next one is MnO2 plus 4HCl. So what they will form here, we can see MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. So this is the next reaction. So I hope you might understood. Already I taught, still again I have explained in revision so that you can understand properly. And children, you have to learn the way how to write the equation, because if you will write full equation very nicely, but the way of writing is wrong, you will get 0. So what things you have to keep in your mind, that whatever capital letter is there, that should be capital. What small letter is there, that should be small. How many atoms are participating, that should be written. and the balancing of equation should be done. That means the reactant side and product side, both sides the same atoms should be there. That means balancing of equation should be there. For example, here we can see that in this CuO plus H2, it is forming Cu plus H2O. That means here in reactant side copper is 1, here also 1 in product side. Here hydrogen are 2 and here also 2, and this oxygen combined with hydrogen and form water molecule. So here in reactor side 1 oxygen and here in product side also 1 oxygen. That means it is balance reaction. Is it clear? So I hope I have tried my level best to make you understand, and I hope you might have understood also nicely. This all equations you have to write 5 times in your rough book and practice nicely, and 1 time you write in the assignment book, children. So thank you. I am sending you a PDF of the whatever balance question are there as well as revision, so you can do it. And best of luck for your exam for the science 1 and science 2. Science 1 chapter 1 2 3, science 2 chapter 1 2 3. That means 3 lessons from both the science 1 and science 2 will come for your exam. So learn nicely so that you can get good marks, children. If any doubt is there, you can message me. Read all the content thoroughly and try to understand. Don't mug up. Thank you. My best wishes are with you, children. Thank you, all of you.